Okay, guys, Matty Mac here again, just regarding some add-on to the training that you've been going through. So we're up to step 4 and going through the real nuts and bolts now. We should be getting very excited. We're talking about tracking conversions, and I just wanted to add a little bit. So Chuck's been going through and telling you all about Clickbank is the program that we use, and being able to track the conversions of where your sales are coming from, where your conversions are coming from. And I just wanted to add a couple of points here. So we use the program Clickbank, and there are sort of 3 main reasons that we want to use this program. So it is an optional thing. You don't need to, but just want to throw a couple of ideas at you of why we can use it and how you can sort of leverage it to your benefit. So there's 3 sort of main reasons. Sorry, I'm just checking my notes here. The first one that we want is to disguise your affiliate link. So when you do get an affiliate link, it's usually a very long, very ugly sort of a link with numbers and things, and it doesn't make a lot of sense. By having this program, you can easily set up your own domain name, and just by adding your own little URL at the end of that domain name, you can send people wherever you want. All you need to do is set up the very simple domain of your choosing and then add where you want it to go. So it'll come into the program and then you can direct it wherever you want to go. So that's the first one, is cloaking your link or disguising your affiliate link. Now the benefit to this also is if you've been out and about and you're posting on blogs and things like that, if you sent somebody from a blog that you posted at and you sent it direct to your affiliate link, let me just jump in here. So wherever you're posting your source and you sent it direct over to your affiliate link, if ever you wanted to change that, or if ever you stopped promoting that product, you're going to lose that traffic forever. Now, by sending everybody direct to a program like Clickbank, you're sending all your traffic to that program. You're forever going to own that traffic, even if you decide to change the product. So if you happen to want to promote a different product, anyone coming through to the link that you've already posted, you can change where it's going to go. So you can easily change where you're sending traffic. And this is traffic that you will command. So without that, if you did decide to lose, change an offer or whatever, you're just going to lose that traffic. It's never going to go anywhere. So at least, and what we're trying to build here with this online business is everybody's going to be following you, and they'll be going where you direct them. So if you do spend the time and effort out there, posting links on forums and things like that, you want them traffic to go where you want it to go, not just to some random offer that might drop out or die off, or you get sick of, or it's not working for you, whatever the reason. So that's why we send it through to a program like Clickbank. A couple of good reasons there, just to be able to change it. So disguising your link, changing it from an ugly affiliate link to a nice link of your choosing. And this is going to be a personalized link to you. So all of your links will be under your domain name. Being able to track how many clicks are coming through, so you can see what sort of traffic source is getting however many clicks. Sorry, that was number 2. And then being able to change it is invaluable. If you do ever want to send it to a different offer or something different, or maybe a landing page first, you only need to swap out the link and automatically it will change. So a few good reasons there to go for Clickbank that Chuck may not have mentioned, but some extra reasons there. So I'm going to leave a link down there if you do want to try it out and see how easy it is. When you do go for your done for you system, you will need Clickbank as well. But if you're not quite there yet, that's all right. But if you did want to try it, I will leave a link for you to try it out and see what you think, and see how you can. It's really handy just to be able to see where your clicks are coming from, and being able to track that information as well. So try that out, and by all means keep going with the training, and hopefully you're starting to see a bit of success, and you're starting to see how it all goes together. If you haven't gone through any of this training, I'll leave a link for that below. It is a free training course on affiliate marketing, so I'll be sure to leave that if you haven't started that. Start from the beginning, take your time with it, go through the course step by step. You'll learn a lot, and as I said, this is a complete free training course. So get into it, and hopefully you'll have some success.